What up, what up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very interesting video for you. So I know it is mango season and we have so much mangoes on the tree right now. We're just trying to figure out what to do with them. So much things that you can do with mangoes these days. So today what I am going to be making is mango ice pop. So mango ice pop or mango ice cream, but I'm going to be putting them on a stick, so it's mango popsicle. Maybe that's a better name. So I cut up the mango, make sure it's a well ripe. I rather one of those big mangoes that doesn't have the string, so like a non-stringy mango. And you want to go ahead and blend it up. Blend it up very smooth. So I'm getting ready to blend it here. And crazy me didn't realize that the blender wasn't plugged in. Silly me. All right, so now I plug the blender in. I go ahead and blend it up very smooth. As you can see, like some mango smoothie going there. All right, and now what I'm going to do is just kind of pour it out into the bowl. Can get a nice size bowl and go ahead and pour it out in there. And then this is where it begins. And it's 4 simple ingredients, you know, not much ingredients, just so simple. You can actually add other stuff to it to make it festive, but today I'm only using mangoes, plain 100% mangoes. And then I'm gonna go in with some condensed milk. So it depends on the amount of mangoes that you have. Right now I'm just using 1 mango because I was making a small amount because I want to make sure that it's something that I like. I love mango, but I love mango plain. Just eat the plain mango off the seed. But today I just want to try something different. So I'm gonna go in with some condensed milk, maybe like for the amount of mango I have is 1, so maybe like let's see, like 2 or 3 teaspoons of condensed milk, or just enough. So when you taste it, see I didn't measure it. I cannot know how much I want in there, so I just pour out the amount that I want, and then I'm going to mix it in. And you can actually taste it to see if it's sweet enough or it's at the taste that you want. And if not, you can add more condensed milk. But as you can see, it seems like I put enough, so I didn't actually add any more because I have some other stuff to add to it. So the next thing I'm going to add is some heavy whipping cream. So I have the heavy whipping cream from the can. You guys can get that one. I actually don't recommend doing the one from the can. I said do the regular heavy whipping cream. Here I mix it, and yeah, I feel like I should just use the regular heavy whipping cream, but it's up to you if you want that other taste. Look at silly me here. I am trying to mix this in this small plate, splashing things all over the place, but when you're doing it, don't do it this way. All right, so I decide, you know what, that is splashing things all over the place, so let me just go ahead and whip it with my hand. So you can go ahead and whip it until it becomes fluffy like whipped cream. And then once it's fluffy enough for you, you can go ahead and mix it in with the mango and condensed milk. As you can see, mine didn't really get that whipped cream texture that I wanted because I was hand mixing it, and also because I mix it with that can, the can heavy cream. So with just the regular heavy cream, it will whip the right way. So I would recommend you doing it with just the regular heavy cream. So anyway, I'm mixing it in. Honestly, it smells good. You can smell the mango and the milk mixture, smell like ice cream. Now, those are the only ingredients I add. When I taste it, I realized it was just enough. But you can go even festive with it. You can add a little bit of rum. You can add a little bit of vanilla extract, maybe cinnamon, you know, just go extra with it however you want it to be. But I end it here. Now I'm going to get, see, I'm tasting it, and yum, yum, yum. It tastes really good. It tastes just fine. Now I'm going to add them into some little plastic cups. You can get these little cheap little cups at the dollar store. It's the cheapest ones that you can find. As you can see, they're thin and they're small. You can actually get them at Walmart or wherever. Just get these little sizes, not too big, because you don't want a big old popsicle. So I get the smaller size, and I'm gonna pour out maybe a cup. What is it? I'm gonna just fill the cup halfway. And now you can use any regular size popsicle sticks. You can get them anywhere. These I got from the dollar store. It was a whole pack for $1. And I'm just gonna stick it in the middle. You see how it stands so firm in the middle? Because of the mixture of this mango and milk is so thick. And what I'm gonna do now is just place them into the freezer. I place them overnight. What you can do is just put a little plastic wrap over them so that it's not open up. You see how I put the plastic wrap here? And let it just sit for a whole night. And this was the next day. So what I'm doing here to get it out of the cup is just using the heat from my body to melt it, to warm it, so that it can slip right out the cup. And here, my BFF here is going to try it and tell me how it tastes. Oh wait, let me see that video now. Oh my. Okay. It's good? Let me see the bite. Let me see the bite. Turn it around. Take a picture. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Hope you enjoyed this video, and go ahead and try it. Tell me, leave it in the comments and tell me how it tastes, how it turned out, and what you added to yours. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.